Jantar Mantar, offering insights into time and celestial bodies through the years. The Jantar Mantar, prior to being a protected monument, was built by Raja Savai Jai Singh II of Jaipur to be used as an observatory. The Jantar Mantar in Delhi is among the 5 observatories under the same name. These are located in the cities of Jaipur, Ujjain, Varanasi and Mathura. Today it is a popular tourist destination in the heart of Delhi. Historical and cultural value. In present times, when science has met unexplored horizons, the Jantar Mantar stands proudly as heritage in the field of astronomy. The Delhi Observatory, which comprises of 4 yantras, is of not only scientific but cultural and historical value. These yantras or devices function to measure various aspects affected by astronomy like time, altitude and coordinates of celestial bodies. The Jantar Mantar, however, is also an example of architecture from the time when Jai Singh II ruled. The red stone and use of arches in the niches of the Ram Yantra remind one of Mughal architecture. Samrat Yantra. The Samrat Yantra is the central structure in the observatory. It is much like a sundial in that it is used to determine the time of a place. While currently undergoing restoration work, the Samrat Yantra is comprised of a slanting ball and 2 semicircular quadrants stand on either side. Scales on these structures help determine the time. However, these markings have been washed away and hence render the instrument of rather little use. Ram Yantra. An instrument which gives the impression of twin miniature Roman colosseums is called the Ram Yantra. These are 2 cylindrical structures with scales on the floor and walls used to measure azimuths and altitudes of celestial bodies. This is perhaps the most aesthetically pleasing yantra. Jai Prakash Yantra. This yantra is made up of 2 hemispherical structures used to denote time, altitude as well as to zodiac observations. Built into the ground, the 2 hemispheres are marked with steps to be used as scales. This can be used during the day and the night. They look like twin wells on 2 sides of the Samrat Yantra. Misra Yantra. The Misra Yantra is a complex system of 5 different instruments, namely the Dakshinottara Bhitti, Niyat Chakra, Karka Rasi Valaya, a Samrat Yantra and a Western Quadrant. All these function to determine time, meridian altitude, longitude and latitude of heavenly bodies. This instrument can be found only in the Delhi Jantar Mantar. The Misra Yantra is an iconic structure, so much so that it is often used to represent the Delhi Observatory. Relevance and deterioration. Owing to the redundancy and limited accuracy of the instruments, the observatory is clearly unsuitable for modern scientific use. The thriving commercialization of Connaught Place that has grown around the monument has also done little to aid its accuracy. Tall buildings affect the shadows made by the structures, imperative for them to meet their purpose. Apart from that, Jantar Mantar has also met with the vandalizing that most monuments undergo. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.